Okay, the landlord came. I told him I would pay him the rent. We had agreed on $50 for the 2 weeks that I really wasn't going to be here that much. I had given him that, but today is the start of the actual rent. I told him I would pay him full rent when my contract was up in the other apartment. So I didn't want to pay rent on two. And he said, okay, that's fine. And then, of course, I was gone to Hanoi for 4 days. So I paid the $160. That was fine. And I told him I wanted to set up the electricity and the rent on the same day. So I went ahead and paid for electricity for the last 2 weeks that I started to move in and all of that. And at my last place, the electricity, granted I was there full time for the full month, was $91. Here for the 2 weeks, and I've been, like I said, in Hanoi for 4 or 5 days. So I wasn't here the whole 2 weeks. And I've gotten more accustomed to the weather. So instead of having the air conditioner at 16 degrees centigrade, I've had it at 24 to 26, 27 at night when I go to sleep. So for the 2 weeks that I was here, minus the 4 days I was gone, it came to $17. So it's great. If it's 17 times 4, which would be less than that, but even if it was that, that'd be $68, which is still cheaper than 91. Yesterday I did go ahead and clean the screens on the air conditioner. That makes a huge difference. It runs a lot better and a lot colder because it doesn't have all the crap. And my water bill came to 75 cents. So I paid him 20 cents extra on the $17. I said, well, let's just call it 18. And he said, don't worry about the water. It's like 75 cents for 2 weeks. So things are a lot cheaper here. And I'm a lot happier having my own little house, have my nice kitchen, a good refrigerator, everything's working well. And that might have been part of the reason why that other electric bill in the other house was, that refrigerator was ancient. They fixed it like 6 times. And it used to get really hot, the sides, like really hot. And that could be why it was using so much electricity. This one works great, freezes everything, but it doesn't get hot on the outside that much. So this is much better, much happier.